Hey everybody, this is Benjamin here from the African Geek and you are welcome to this fantastic video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some of the cool features and updates that have been made in Canva, and I think this is something you should know because once you know about this, it helps you to use Canva in a much efficient way. So if you're interested in knowing some of these features, stay tuned and I will be right back after the intro. Okay, so the first thing I'll need you to know is some of these features will require you to have the pro version of Canva, while others would also require that you have the free version of Canva. Okay, so the first feature you should know is the content planner. To use the content planner, what you need to do is to come to content planner over here and you can see the dates. Okay, so you can just click on today, which you can see over here, and let's say I wanted to post any content directly to any of my social media platforms. All I need to do is to click on the plus. Okay, and with this you can schedule content way ahead of time depending on what you want. Okay, so I made a number of designs and I can just choose this one for example. Okay, after you have your design selected, what you can do to schedule your content to your social media platform is you have this option that's asking you which platform you do want to schedule your content to. So once you click, there are so many options. You can see Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and so many more. So you just have to choose. I would choose Instagram for the sake of this tutorial. Okay, and there are options over here which is trying to teach you what you're supposed to do. The first thing is your Instagram profile. If it's a personal profile, it needs to be converted into a creator account or a business account. Okay, so connect with Facebook. You should be logged in. Okay, and then you'd see a page like this. So you'd have to select the pages you'd want to be scheduling to. So the first one I have over here, I'm just going to choose my Instagram profile. Okay, and next, and I'm also going to choose my Facebook page. Okay, then next. Okay, so now there's so many permissions you need to allow Canva to do. So all of these things should be on because Canva may not be able to work properly if you turn them off. Then I click on done, and okay, it's saying now you've linked Canva to Facebook. And okay, so after you're done, you can now upload to your social media platform. The second feature you should know about is assigning tags to other team members in your workspace or in your Canva team. Okay, so to do that, all you need to do is to select any of your designs. Okay, and you can see I have this design here. So let's say I had someone I was working with on this particular design project. So to assign a tag to a team member, all you need to do is first of all click on any part of your design and add a comment. So in this case, instead of just typing out a comment, you start with an @ which will help you to mention any of your team members. So then I can add a text which can say okay, adjust the color of the text. Okay, so once I do that, then I can just click assign to my friend who's called Martin. So assign to Martin, and I leave it as a comment. So once I do that, it will be assigned to Martin. Okay, and he comes in. First of all, he would even receive a notification and come into the design and work on it. Once he's done, all he needs to do is to click on the resolve button, which is a tick. Okay, so he just clicks it, which will just make it known that he's done with the task I assigned to him. The next and interesting update in Canva is the talking presentation. So what you need to do is first of all click in the text box over here and type talking presentation. Okay, so once you type that, there are so many presentations you would have showing up on your screen. Okay, so you can choose any of them for now. Then what you can do is to fix your information in any of these presentations. Once you're done, all you need to do is to come to this triple dot over here. Okay, then we come to present and record. So you select present and record, and we go to recording studio. Okay, so over here you can see you need to set up your camera and you also need to set up your microphone. And in this case, the reason why it can't access my camera and my microphone is I'm using another software to record this tutorial or to record this video, so Canva cannot access it. So once you do that, it just helps you to record and you can pause and do so many interesting things inside of Canva. When you finish recording, you can download your presentation, and if you have to mail it to your team members or something like that, you just have to do that. The fourth update you should know is the frames and shadows effect Canva has added. Okay, so let's demonstrate how the shadow works. Okay, so I just click on create a design and choose any dimension at all, and I come into an empty workspace. So in this case, I would search for a photo because with the shadows it works with photos, and there are so many photos I have over here. In this case, you can remove the background of the photo and apply the shadow, or you can simply just add the shadow to the image, even if it's looking this way. So to add a shadow, you come to effect. In effect, you have to if you haven't connected the shadow to your Canva, you would see it in these options. Okay, but once you do, it would show at the top here, and I already have it connected to my Canva. So there's so many options we have over here. So I choose the glow for example. Okay, and you can see there's some nice shadow behind my photo, or I can choose the drop shadow, or I can even choose the curved shadow, which happens at the bottom. Okay, and to adjust the shadow, you can just, once you click the shadow for the first time, you have to click it for the second time, and it takes you here where you can adjust your shadow, so the offset, the transparency, and the blurriness, and even the color of your shadow. So this is what you can also do inside of Canva. So what if you wanted to add a frame, okay, on your photo? So I can select this photo over here, then I come to effects. In effect, I'll have to scroll down and search for frames. You can see I haven't connected it to my Canva, so I can just select the frames and I can simply connect it to Canva. That's the same process you would have to use. Once you do that, it should appear. Okay, and there are so many frames you can use. So you can see we have the phone frame, which is so beautiful. Okay, and we have the laptop frame. So depending on which frame you want to use, you can do that inside of Canva this time around. Okay, and you can adjust. So you double click and I can crop the position of my frame depending on what you want, or you can also do it according to your need. And once you're done, you click on apply, and yes, you have a cool photo with a cool frame inside of Canva. And yes, these are some interesting features available in Canva, and you have to start using them. So the name is Benjamin, and I'm glad I was able to make this video for you. I hope you found it helpful. If you want more Canva related content, you can check my channel and you would be satisfied. Okay, so yeah, I will see you in my next video.